Bonjour, I'm chef, blogger, and lover of great food, Heloise Leclerc, and I'm here today at Fruit D'Or's nutraceutical headquarters to learn more about one of my favorite ingredients, the cranberry. And this is Steven Lukaski, Director of Business Development. Now, Steven, I know that the cranberry juice has so many benefits, but I want to hear about it as an alternative to those sugary soft drinks we keep reaching for even though we know we shouldn't. What can you tell me?
Cranberry juice is one of our ingredients that we are promoting in the marketplace. And the nice thing about our cranberry ingredients is that they are coming directly from our farm. Growing everything, we're processing everything, and then we're selling it direct to the customer. Have a read of the ingredient list on there.
Organic cranberry concentrate, guar gum, sun fiber, and that's it.
Yeah, guar gum. They have rescued the industry and allowed us to take our cranberry concentrate, our cranberries that we grow in the field and bring to Fruit D'Or to process into concentrate. We use their guar fiber called sun fiber, and we have turned this into a wonderful cranberry juice drink that has no sugar. And just look at the color, the richness. Look at this.
Yeah, it's glistening, it's wonderful.
It's beautiful. And the thing is that our companies can actually, in capsules and in delivery system of sachets and stick packs, and the consumer actually can now drink this without feeling guilty about the sugar. Do you want to make some?
Yes, of course.
All right.
I think we've got some water here.
Yes. Right now, what I tell people at home is to take 1 tablespoon,
All right.
and add 1 full tablespoon.
Glass.
Now
One
that's
full.
going to deliver.
Is it full enough?
Yes. That's going to deliver a minimum of 6 grams of fiber.
Oh, wow.
All right, and fiber is from the sun fiber, the guar gum, and which has been clinically tested by the company and for digestive health. We could make it stronger at home, but we want to make sure that it's not too tart.
All right.
And not too sour.
Cheers to that.
What do you think?
It's very pleasant to drink.
Now, when we blend this all together, we call it SunCran. So consumers out there, if they look for the brand called SunCran, they know where they're going to get a healthy cranberry juice that also helps with digestive health.
Thank you.
Joining us.
And thank you for watching. This was Heloise Leclerc. À la prochaine.